Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage gestures for your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 5. You have to start by open Huawei application. Now click on your device, then click on gestures. Now for the double tap you can manage voice assistant, Siri or Google Assistant. You can also play and pause song and turn on to play next song or previous song. I prefer to left earbud play and pause, and choose for the right one wake voice assistant. Now for a triple tap I prefer to on the left button I prefer to play previous song, and on the right button I prefer to play next song. We can't change nothing in touch and hold, just nothing. And the same with swipe, we just adjust volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!